Alright, are we ready? We just need to finish up where we left off at because lunchtime came, and so we're going to cut back to right here, okay? And we were doing some regrouping, and I asked you to show me on your boards the regrouping. And so now we were going over, and we were continuing to tell me what the answers was, what the difference was. 13 take away 5? 8. 8, and then 9 take away 8 is 1. Can I stop?
No.
No. What was my partial quotient up here?
50.
50. Very good. 50. So can I continue?
Yes.
Yes, because I have to keep going until my remainder, or until my dividend, this new dividend, is less than 17, my divisor. Yes. By 5, 17 times 5 gave me what? 85. See how we're not even having to do too much thinking because of the ratio table? Yes. You could do it twice. Do you agree?
Yes.
If you agree, let me see your agree sign. Yes.
You got to multiply it by 7.
Ah, by 7 is already up here. See why the chart helps us? Because that's even closer, huh? Ah, by 10, huh? Because that would give us what? 170, right? We already have it. See how we have all this stuff already in our brain bank? But we did not, even though we didn't use 10 as our friendly number up here, so that's 170. So,
You can use 11.
exactly. I'm going to stay with 10.
Exactly.
I know, wait. But I want to stay with 10 because it's so friendly and I'm teaching about friendly numbers. I know. So, I know we want to finish it, but 87.
It's 11.
I know. But 10, if we use 10, what do we get? 170.
And then 11 will give us 187.
Hold on.
Should use one that's maybe a little bit longer, but
I know, but I just wanted to show about friendly numbers too. Okay, sometimes 11 is not friendly for people, so I just wanted to showcase that. See, check 3, 2, 1. Because people are talking in the back and distracting me, and that is why I got it wrong. And why I wrote down something different than what I needed to write. I need you to be quiet. What should I have written?
17.
Thank you. So now my whole entire chart is messed up because of that.
Do you want white out?
Because I lost focus. No, I'm just going to do this. Turn that into a 0. There. So, do we have an accurate number?
Yes.
This is what I wanted to showcase. Now, what can I do so easily? Times 1. But before I do that, I have to shift my new dividend into the other box, and that becomes 17. And you guys said that we were going to use our friendly number 1. We forgot to put friendly number 1 up in here. 1 is always a friendly number, right? That's our best friend. Yeah, 1 is the best friend to the end. Yeah. Math is? What will that give me? 17 times 1 gives me?
17.
And what will my partial quotient be? 1. 1. Uno, 1, yes. And what will my difference be?
0.
Can I stop and put my stop sign down?
Yes.
Yes, I can. Why can't I?
Because there's no more numbers.
Ooh, that was a whole lot. I need somebody who's going to tell me clear and concise thought. Quiet. I need to hear. Go.
We can put the stop sign there because 0 is less than 17.
Okay. Which is our divisor. And now with our goal is to get the number, our new dividend, less than our divisor. Okay? To get the new dividend less than our divisor. Did we do that? Did we accomplish that task?
Yeah.
Yeah, we did. So now in order to get our quotient, what do we have to do now? Add all the partial quotient. All the PQs. Go. On your board. Go. Tell me what it is.
These are stupid.
You have a few seconds. Let's go. Add them up. You got about a few more seconds before showdown. That's my song, the Pink Panther.
Wait, Miss McDaniel, can we get a
All right, are we ready?
No. Yes. I'm not ready.
Showdown.
Are you ready? My mouth.
Oh, you don't have cash mannequin challenge. Let's see if I'm gonna add them up. Let's go. Watch me. 100. Is that what you did?
Yes. I did them separately. I'm smart. Me too.
And what did you get per se?
21.
So, what is our quotient? Do we have a remainder?
No.
But how do I would know this is right if I check it using multiply? Prove it. Go. Prove it. Check it using multiplication. Go. I don't want to hear about anything other about I got it right, I got it this. I can look around the room and see that you got it. You don't have to tell me you got it right. When I do my scan, I can look and see whose boards are right. You don't have to shout it out and tell me I got it right. That's for you to shout out for me. I don't need that attention from you. Go. That's what I want you to prove. Prove to me that it is right by using multiplication. What am I going to multiply? 17 times what? All right, so let's check using the inverse. And if you multiply 17 times what? What are we multiplying 17 times? All right, so 861 times 17. I don't know which method you use. What method could you have used? The regular algorithm? You could have used the area model, partial. This is when you would use partial products, right? Yeah. So I'm going to use partial products. 7 times 1 is what? 7. 7 times 60. 7 times 60 is 420. Because 7 times 6 is 42, right? All right, 7 times 800.
5,600.
5,600. All right, 10 times 1. 10. 10 times 60.
600.
And then 10 times 800.
8,000.
All right, add all that up and see if you get this 14,637 when you add. I don't want to. You add it. Add it. Show me. Did you prove it to me?
Is the 7 right there in there, right? 2, right?
7. Yeah, the 7 is a part of it. 7, 3. Are we right?
Yes.
I'm not putting it into the quotient box until we prove it right. Let's add it up. Go. What was it? 7?
Wait. 7. 2 plus 1 is
3. We have a double. Can we make doubles? 2, 6 and 6 is 12 plus 4. 16. Okay, that works. Plus 1 more on top of the 14. Plus 1 more makes 13, right? 14. So did we make it?
Yes.
Yes, we did. I think we did what we were supposed to do. So can I now have royalty and go out the box and pop out the box? Am I ready to hear the box song now? On violin.
You actually put the actual lyrics.
No, I could not put the actual lyrics.
Just clean.
No, I can't put the clean version.
No.
No. No. No. I'm going to play my violin version with my violin. Now, while we hopping out the box, you're cleaning up your boxes. You're not singing. Unless it's about math. You can make up a math song. pulling out a math. She said that where you multiply 5. Okay, and you can make up a math song with it. I hear you, Tyran. All right, so math is hands and eyes. C check in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What method were we practicing today? The box method, okay? And we know that this is just one. I'll wait, you know I don't talk over you. We know this is one strategy that we can use to divide. It does not matter how big this number is as long as we know how to use friendly numbers. Make a ratio table. We can divide anything, yes?
You got the quotient wrong.
What was the quotient? It was 861. See, I was all partying at the box, and then look what happened. I got excited. There we go. Now. Knocked out the wrong box. All right, very good. Good lesson for today. Go ahead and clear your desk, put everything away so we can get ready. Maybe I'll think about it.